Crown am where won for here 24 hours and 365 days running of this country. Okay, Ghana Education Service. Okay, the Ministry of Education. When the introduction of free SHS by. Okay. Yes, see a makwan ni panum betene finti ya school dining na hokwa. Ya fan siri ukruma. Ya fan twa ya da pa ukruma. An kan che say traffic light. No mun fi se nyansa ni de ni ye ni tine de twa ya da pa ukruma. Say e man ko school a obi mo ko ne bi ma ba fie na ye traffic light na ye gold na ye green ne de twa ya da pa ne bi mo ukruma. E na propaganda ntini ye giedi. What is the difference? Se pan ne pass wo bibia friend 24 hours also be ya me nipa dodo anya adwuma ya. Can you need the difference in the na ye na sade Ghana mama no e ko school mo manya nimde. Na kan no nim ye no ne de hin na sebi adwempa etai che de ye. Enu nim de ye e ma fa teacher for mo so nim sa. Cause see afana no mo kire green no enye no ma na kire yellow. It yenya two streams no na see a double the intake of teachers. And then the bros had the 24 hours.
More increase about man.
You see the problem that we have.
So
no, maybe don't let us go into those things. We doubled it, and I'll say that if you have two streams, then you're the same teacher, no actually green, no actually yellow. We here too. We buswasem. Say school ni makwan teacher for ni nyina makwan. Teacher for ni nyina makwan, ni nkra na makwan. Enya man nkra foforo so aba na teacher foforo be kira dia, enya double.
But I'm saying that the double no
please.
On
Nyabotre meba. So it tells you says okay can send your double then your school na double track there. And I can send your double.
Oh, but say no question school.
So that means we catch us here double ya see a double because every school be a double track there we needed to have additional teachers of equal numbers to be able to teach the children.
So more double intake schools are no more here.
See a double intake be a double teacher for ni na. And cranny because school yellow. No mama kwa no ma church fo nyina akotene fe nya sa na netie na nkra ni bia aba green ahamono meboa no mo so ne teacher fo aba enya double kane na teacher fo no mo kira de ne ba ko enya mienu ni afa gina ho meba ma yen church mu na tie fo ntiase
recruitment asem na make
ana so me yen church mu na tie fo ntiase
me yen nyina akra ya te de o
me buza se me no mienu na ye sori ne ye kona kane na wonye bi obi a meto aso me ye adwuma na fa owie na obi foforo ba betena ne fa obi foforo mo betena wakunya mu ye double seat ni nipa etena so that is the point.
The entire staff
away
as in Akoma FM entire staff
you are not getting it. Make a teacher asem staff na different staff who include administrative people in the school men kan wa asem no me enkoya ni men kan wa asem men kan administrative
no I get your point
men kan administrative once until make a choose make a teachers as make a church for asem no nyabotre
the embassy nyina ti ase ne say
ka na me kire mu
the embassy nyina ti ase ne say so kasa what double teachers
so na me kan ye man kasa staff
then it what it means they say within the 2017
no numbers no
free senior high school
numbers no to disprove their maker numbers need to disprove their maker no numbers are betting they disprove their maker no
so I don't have the figures
so don't go into it
but it is not accurate
it is accurate.
I
stand by it say
1 million teachers you added extra 1 million teachers
my question say accurate and I'll stand by that. Mebusu asem ne how many tracks ne double track double nature say
selected schools some schools na run
say Mike say John double chere saying o dey see animu ya dey see animu mienu meboa enti chere na double ne enche mienu double ne chere mienu
enti chere say teacher for so ayemienu
for each subject but
I'm saying